Perfect. Staff very nice and friendly. Special thank to the driver which I forgotten his name. He was appointed to drive us to Uluwatu Temple and Beach. He extended his working time for us as we booked the tour late hour, giving us all the tips as in what to look out for, which taxi is cheaper etc. He has goes extra miles taking care of his customer. Thumb up for Asa Bali staff. We'll be back again soon. Cheer. Had an excellent stay at Asa Villa. Staff and especially the manager really go all out to your holiday comfortable and convenient. Food and land tours are cheap at the hotel. Also love the personal pool and open concept living room by the pool. Only downside is that restaurants and beaches are not within walking distance. Tried walking back from Seminyak Square and it took 30 minutes. Nonetheless, can have the drivers at the villa send you to anywhere and the rates are very reasonable. Excellent stay at Asa Bali. Very clean spacious villa and nice room design. Staff are all friendly and helpful, especially the young man called Agus whom was our day tour driver and tour guide around South Kuta. The day tours provided by the villa are much cheaper than those we came across at the mall's street stores. Here is located in a quiet area, where restaurants, beaches or shopping areas are not within walking distance. You need to take a taxi, villa shuttle, only 2 times per day. We enjoyed staying there and will recommend here to our friends. Takes about 15 to 20 minutes by car. Staff is very friendly, always ready to help us. Villas is clean and very spacious. My husband and I enjoyed staying there. Comfortable and quiet. Just one thing I don't understand is, their water from the bathtub or basin smell of mud. So it's not so comfortable using the water that smell muddy. I guess this might be the same problems for almost many villas, hotels in Bali because they might come from the same water pipe. To Kuta and Seminyak is just 10 minutes by car. Only take the Bluebird taxi. They go by meter. Overall, good experience staying there. Worth staying. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay at Asa Bali. The villa was beautiful, clean and very spacious. The pool was bigger than it looked in photos and the staff were very friendly and helpful. The villa room with the private pool was absolutely fantastic. There were candles which guests can use to create a romantic atmosphere. It was a quite comfortable and romantic stay at the Asa Bali luxury villas. Was the first time we stayed at Asa Bali. Pretty sure we'll be staying at this villa in the future. The staff was attentive and really friendly, the room was perfect, and the location was close to Seminyak, Petitanget, our favorite location. One word, superb. Asa Bali luxury villa is by far the cheapest price I had paid for a villa with a swimming pool. Everything is perfect from the attentive and helpful staffs to perfect villas with no flaws in my eyes, to simple American breakfast but delicious. Everything from A to Z is perfect. My stay at Asa Bali luxury villa was perfect. Staff was extremely courteous, villa was so beautiful. The only downside is that villa is quite far from Kuta area but if you were to take a cab, it would only take about 15 minutes. I will definitely return here. This villa is perfect for couple getaway. It's a very nice and pleasant stay at Asa Bali luxury villas. First of all, staff were very friendly and helpful. Ambience in the villa was superb, really good for couples. Food in the villa was okay. The only down thing is that you have to keep reconnecting to their Wi-Fi. Other than this, everything was perfect. I was disappointed at first, because I booked at Asa Bali Villa not Asa Bali Villa 2, I didn't know they had 2 villas. Separated, then I tried to upgrade. Lucky me. Thank you Mr. Echo Team Sales, for giving me such an amazing birthday and holiday for upgrading without any charges. Even thought I could still ask how much if I upgraded. We had a great stay at Asa, the staff were amazingly helpful, friendly and professional. The villa was lively, it was cleaned and sprayed for mozzies at least once a day. A short cab ride to the main area of Seminyak or as we did you could walk as it really is not that far. We took advantage of the twice daily shuttle service a couple of times too. Was very sad to leave.